We are going to Dubai for 8 days, and I want to show you everything I'm bringing with me for the trip. Now we are traveling as a family of 3, so the plan is to bring a big check-in luggage and 1 carry-on. That said, my own personal items can very comfortably fit in a small carry-on luggage. The luxury bag I'm bringing with me is my Chanel mini flap in black pattern leather and silver hardware. Now, I initially wanted to bring the Jacquemus Bambino bag because I preferred something with a top handle, but I had to send it back for an exchange, but that is a topic for another day. Anyway, I've decided to bring the Chanel Mini. This bag is quite small, so it doesn't fit a lot, but can carry a lot of my essentials. In here, I have a pack of tissues, my iPhone Max Pro, my Mulberry card holder, and the last thing is this little pouch. I always use this pouch to carry my personal products just to prevent scratches on the inside leather. In here, I have a hand cream, a sunscreen powder, a mirror, perfume atomizer, and a lip balm. So this is basically everything I can fit very nicely inside the Chanel mini flap. The only other thing I would carry is a silk cloth because the pattern leather is quite prone to fingerprint, so it's nice to have something to wipe the bag with. I don't think I'll carry this bag every day in Dubai because of our itinerary, but it will go perfectly well with all the outfits I have for this trip. In fact, this Chanel mini flap has always been one of my most favorite bags for travel because of how versatile it is. I'm also bringing this Uniqlo crossbody bag, seeing we are going to water parks and a desert safari. So I thought I should bring a very worry-free bag for those activities that are more physically engaging. This is my jewelry bag. I always make sure to bring some jewelry pieces with me when I travel because they are quite easy to carry around and also the best accessories. First of all, I have my Hermes CDC bracelet in rose gold, which I intend to wear every single day on my trip. I like that this goes with absolutely everything I wear and I can just leave it on the entire time. This is also very easy to remove, so I should be fine at the airport as well. I also have my Hermes CDC leather bracelet in black Epsom leather and rose gold hardware. I would definitely be wearing this if I want a statement element for my outfits. This is my Hermes click-clack bracelet. I'm planning to wear this on days when I want to look a little bit more dressed up. This is my compact travel jewelry case. In here, I have my Hermes CDC ring in rose gold and my Cartier love ring in yellow gold. I usually stack them together on my right index finger and I really love the way they look together. In terms of earrings, I'm bringing a selection of diamond earrings. Whenever I travel, I always bring some IDYL diamond earrings with me because of how versatile and wearable they are. If I want something very clean and simple, I can just wear the diamond studs on their own, but I can also easily transform them into a very unique statement piece just by adding the add-on pieces. This time, I'm bringing Jill, June, Astor, and Kaya with me. I think this is a very curated selection which will easily complement all the outfits I have for this trip. What I really adore about their designs is that everything is very minimal and dainty, but somehow they always stand out in a very subtle way. What more, all IDYL pieces feature lab-grown diamonds, which means they are a lot more sustainable. So if you're looking for jewelry pieces which are unique, wearable, and timeless, make sure to check them out. I'm packing a few dresses for this trip. The first one is this lovely polka dot dress. This is made of this very soft mulberry silk. I think this is the perfect material for a very warm destination because it's so very light and airy. This is a very simple midi dress, but the polka dots are so cute and classy. I adore the fitting as well. This looks so relaxed, carefree, but also very chic. The second dress is this black silk dress. Again, the key criteria for me are light and breathable, and this dress is both those things. I like that I can wear this dress so many different ways. My favorite way is to have the buttons on the front. As you can see, this is a rather casual looking shirt dress, which I absolutely love. I don't know what it is, but I just feel amazing in this piece. Anyway, if I want a more elegant looking outfit, I can simply wear the dress back to front. To me, this looks really feminine and classy. This dress also comes with a belt, so if I want to look even more put together, it's easily done. Honestly, I am so impressed with the versatility of this dress. I think whoever designed this piece deserves a lot of credit. This is another dress I'm bringing. The material is Xiangyun silk, which is not only airy and breathable, but also incredibly wrinkle resistant. So this dress is actually quite travel friendly. I know that this is in black and I maybe should bring more colors with me, but I just love how this dress complements my body shape and I always feel very special wearing this piece. It is 39 degrees in Dubai at the moment, but I'm packing this cashmere cardigan because I've heard that the air conditioning can be quite generous in certain places, so just in case. This is a jumpsuit. I'm planning to wear this for the desert safari. The plan is to go on a camel, so I don't think it's a good idea to put on a dress. I've been contemplating about what to wear for the occasion, but I think this jumpsuit is great for the heat because the fabric is really thin. I also like that the fitting is quite loose, so I won't feel too stuffy. More importantly, I also don't have to worry about having limited mobility for those outdoor activities. Moving on to some more casual clothing, I'm bringing 5 t-shirts. These t-shirts are made of 100% Supima cotton and they are amazing for the warmer days. I brought them when I went to Malaysia last year as well and they were so lovely to wear. I don't know about you, but I personally like my t-shirts to be very plain and simple, so these ones are perfect for me. These are my silk pajamas for this trip. I love silk pajamas anyway, but this set is perfect for the summer because the fitting is very flowy and the color is also very lively. It's hard to explain how soft the fabric is, but they're just an absolute dream to have on the skin. I'm also bringing 3 pairs of shorts. These black ones are from Eileen. They are very simple, but I just love the way they fit me. Highly recommend. Here I have my trusty Uniqlo sun hat because sun protection is no joke. This has been a travel essential for me for years because it's so easy to pack away and I love the way it looks. This is made of cotton, which is great because I can easily clean it in the washing machine. This is a UV protection jacket from Uniqlo. I always bring this with me whenever I travel to a very sunny place because apparently this has a SPF of 40 and it can block up to 60% of the UV rays. This is not the most dressy element, but it goes quite well with t-shirts and shorts, and it will also come in very handy for the desert safari. For shoes, I'm bringing my Roger Vivier flats. I'm planning to wear them with dresses, but to be honest, they go well with just about any outfit. Seeing the neutral colors are so easy to work with. I'm also bringing my Vans sneakers for the desert safari and sightseeing. These are not going in the suitcase because I'll be wearing them to the airport. This pouch carries all my personal items, such as socks, underwears, and bras. I'm also bringing 2 pieces of swimsuits. Now, in certain places, I like wearing a nice swimsuit for taking photos, but other times, utilitarian swimsuits are more practical, especially when you go to outdoor water parks. So both of the swimsuits I have here are long sleeves. I bought these when I visited Malaysia last year. On that trip, we went to several water parks as well, and these came in so handy for preventing excessive sun exposure. Apparently, these have a SPF of 50, which I very much appreciate. I'm also bringing these water shoes for water activities. These are my skincare supplies. In this small pouch, I have my For Real facial hydration device. I spoke about this before, but essentially this is a gadget that helps to hydrate your skin very effectively in just 2 minutes. I don't know about you, but my skin always feels quite dry when I travel. So now I always pack this in my suitcase whenever I go away. This is my main skincare bag. In here, I have my makeup remover, a face wash, toner, a serum spray, and a moisturizer. I'm also bringing my favorite hair serum, which is the Shiseido Tsubaki. Other than that, I'm not packing any body care products because the hotel will be providing everything we need. I'm also bringing quite a selection of sunscreens for this trip. For me, sun protection is part of a healthy skincare routine, so I always pay a lot of attention to it. This little pouch carries our toothbrushes, toothpaste, floss, and my retainer. This is my makeup bag. In here, this is basically what I use on a daily basis, and I basically just put them all in this bag when I travel. This bag carries my hair care gadgets, and of course, I'm bringing my trusty GHD hair straightener. I don't straighten my hair every day, but I always carry this with me, especially for longer trips. This is my Philip Kingsley travel hairbrush. I've had this for at least 10 years. It's quite small, but it works so well. I'm bringing my gimbal, which is a filming gadget, just in case if I want to take any videos during the trip. In fact, please leave a comment down below if you'd like me to do a Dubai vlog. This time, I'm not bringing my laptop or iPad because I don't think I'll have any time to do any work, so I've decided to not carry any unnecessary weight. And as you can see, everything I'm bringing can fit very nicely in this small suitcase. And this is my Kipling backpack, which I'll be using as my personal carry-on. Like I said before, we'll be using this suitcase as our carry-on, so I really don't have to carry that much in my backpack. In the back here, I have my Kindle e-reader, which is an absolute essential for a long plane ride. Currently, I'm reading Babel by R.F. Kuang. I also like to keep my phone in here, and I'm currently using the iPhone Max Pro. I love the zipped pocket because I can access my phone easily, and it's also nice to have a sense of security. On to the main compartment now. First of all, I have my Uniqlo sun hat, and then I have my jewelry pouch. Now, I never check in my fine jewelry pieces when I travel because it's best to be safe than sorry. In this inside pocket, I keep my Mowbray card holder and my AirPods. This is the bag I'm using to carry all my onboard toiletries, so everything in here is under 100 ml. In here, I have a pack of cleansing wipes, a lip balm. I highly recommend this BlizzTags if you're going on a long flight because this is so moisturizing. Then I have a face spray, an all-in-one moisturizer, a hand cream, sunscreen powder, but this one is mainly for topping up, a perfume atomizer, and a mirror. In this compartment, I have a small notebook and a pen. Whenever I can, I always like to carry a small notebook to jot down any ideas. As you can see, my little boy likes to doodle quite a bit as well. And in this front pocket, I have some tissues and a reusable bag. In this side pocket, I have some snacks. In the other side pocket, I have my Gucci sunglasses. I absolutely love this little backpack. It's quite inexpensive, but so practical. Plus, I think it looks quite cute as well. This really is a Mary Poppins bag. It looks quite small, but it can fit a lot. And that is everything I packed for myself for our upcoming trip to Dubai. Last year, I posted a video about everything I packed for a 3-week trip to Malaysia. This is a shorter trip, but as you can probably tell, I'm bringing a bit more because I do want to look a little bit more dressed up for this trip. Anyway, I hope you find this helpful. Again, please let me know down below if you would like to see a Dubai vlog. Thank you so much for being here. Take care and I will see you soon.